Hello students. So today we are going to solve some questions from exercise 4.2 and these questions are based on properties of determinants. Okay, so here question number 5. Okay, you have to prove this determinant equal to this determinant. Okay, so let's start with our LHS. Okay, now I want to make this column as ABC, this column as PQR, and this column as XYZ. So first thing I should do is to remove this B plus C and to bring here A, right? So the only way you can bring here A is you have to add something related to A. So you can add this R1 and R2 and R3, right? So R1 changes to plus R2 plus R3. Okay, let's add B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B Q plus R plus R plus P plus P plus Q Y plus Z plus Z plus X plus Y okay, so adding you will get, so here 2 times C is there, 2 times A is there and 2 times B is there. So you can write this as 2 times A plus B plus C, right? Here also 2 times P plus Q plus R. Here also 2 times X plus Z plus Y. So that 2 we can take out, that is from R1, right? So we'll get A plus B plus C P plus Q plus R and X plus Z Y plus Z. Okay, so here 2 we have taken outside. So now you have to do some operations so that here we get A, P and X, right? So if you subtract, okay, R1 minus R2, R1 we are changing to R1 minus R2, okay, so R1 minus C minus A okay, so here you will get only Q, right? Here you will get only Y and here you will get B. Okay, now this is B, this is Q and this is Y. Okay, now I'm changing the third row. Okay, third row I have to make A or B. B I have taken already. Our first row, first element is B, right? So I have to make this as element A, right? So I'll do what? I can change this by R3 minus R1 because our R1 is B. So A plus B minus B you will get A, right? So B C plus A and here you will get A plus B minus B, then Q, P plus Q minus Q, and Y, X plus Y minus Y. Okay, so our last row elements are A, P and X. Okay, now I have to make our second row elements as here already B is there, A is there, this has to be C, correct? So we have to remove A. So to remove A, we have to minus R3, right? So R2 changes to R2 minus R3. So B, C plus A, okay. So now we have all the elements B, C, A, Q, R, P and Y, Z, X. So we want it to be here 2 times, it is there everywhere. Okay. So we want it to be A should be here and C should be here, right? So we have to interchange the rows. Okay, so I am interchanging R1 to R3. Okay, and then I have to interchange, this is first this thing. So when you interchange the rows, you will get a negative sign outside, right? -1. So this will be A, P, X, C, R, Z and B, Q, Y. Now I am again interchanging the rows. Okay, so now to interchange R2 and R3. Okay, so again I have to remove -1, so this will be -1 square. So A, B, C, P, Q, R and X, Y, Z. This is our desired answer. Okay, next question is question number 7. Okay, your left hand side is given and you have to prove it to be 4A square, B square, C square. Okay, now here if you look at the elements, you will see that here A is common, here B is common and here C is common. So can we take out ABC, right? So from R1, R2 and R3 you have to take out, from R1 I am taking out A, from R2 I am taking out B and from R3 I am taking out C. So you will get, this will be minus A, B, C, A minus B, C and A, B minus C. Okay, now this ABC I have taken out. Now we want to find the determinant. Okay, so best way to find the determinant is to make if you have 3 elements in a column or a row, you have to make 2 elements 0. Okay, so I can do here one thing, that is if I add this 2, that is minus A plus A, then B minus B, then it will be 0, right? So I am taking R1, I am changing it to R1 plus R2. So adding R1 plus R2, I'll get minus A plus A 0, B minus B 0, C plus C 2C. Okay. Now taking determinant in R1. Okay, so you'll get A, B, C into C, A into B plus AB. Okay, so AB plus AB is 2AB, so ABC into 2C into 2AB, that is 4 ABC. So you'll get 4 A square B square C square. Okay.